Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how we can create a database in GoogieHost. Let's get started. Open your browser, go to the GoogieHost website, click on Sign In, enter your registered email and password. Click on Login. After logging in, you will be redirected to the Client Area dashboard. From here, you can manage your hosting features. On the dashboard, find the Databases or Database/MySQL section. Click on it. Click on Create New Database. Now you will be asked to enter the required information. Database name, database username, database password. Use a strong password and save these details in a secure place. After verifying all the details, click on Create. The system will automatically create the database. Once the database is created, it will appear in the database list. You can now use it for your website or application. Your database has been successfully created. If you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. If you have found this helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel.